Hello friends, I am Rashmi Patel. Again we learn simple future tense. First, we learn definition. In simple future tense is used when an action is promising a thought to occur in the future. In future, we describe our action. Okay, we use simple future tense. In this tense, we use keywords tomorrow, next, to next day, next week, next month, and next year. We use next. Okay, in this sense, the following day. We use simple future tense. First, we use two sentence format in all tenses. Okay? First, active voice and passive voice. So we use helping verb. In this tense, we use helping verb model auxiliaries. Which model auxiliaries? Will and shall. Will and shall we use in this tense, and verb which form? Bare infinitive. Which verb form we use in simple future tense? Verb bare infinitive form without to. Without to. And in same way, we use in passive voice. First use helping verb plus use to show action. Use be with model auxiliary. We use future to be formed. Okay, we use future to be formed plus verb in, and we use always verb third form in passive voice sentence form. Third form. Okay, action occurring future to show simple future tense in describe the action, and we use keyword tomorrow, next, and following. Okay, and we'll so two sentence format in this tense. Use active voice and passive voice. First, to show action, to use model auxiliaries. And which model auxiliaries? Will and shall plus verb. In simple future tense, we use first form of verb bare infinitive, means without to. And in same way, passive voice, we use first part is shall, use helping verb plus use be plus verb third form to show. We can't write third form using with model auxiliaries. So we be and shall be and will be. Okay, is a to be form of future tense. Future tense to be formed shall be and will be, but we use only model auxiliaries shall and be to show simple future tense. To be first framework first we write person singular and plural. First person, second person, and third person. First person singular is and plural is we. Second person singular is you and plural is you. Third person singular he, she, it, and third person plural is they. So we use shall and will. So first person singular we use with shall, and first person plural we use with shall. Only two subject is suitable having of is shall. Only two subject I and B. First person subject we use helping verb shall and shall. Okay, but in this situation, in this area, we use will in this two. So what modal auxiliaries we use in first person? Okay. Second person, you will and DCP, which will and David will. We use all subject with will. Only two subject which we use shall. Okay, in this structure. Next, sentence format. The sentence start with subject plus use modal auxiliaries verb, helping verb, shall and will plus verb which form? First form, bad infinitive without to plus object plus other words, time words. Use I will be used modal auxiliaries. Okay, I will yourself use verb. Which verb we use? We write. Bad infinitive is only write without to write. I will for myself write a letter tomorrow. Okay. I will write a letter tomorrow. I shall write a letter tomorrow. It's a simple future tense sentence format. Okay. We will move in. We will play. We will play chess next day. Okay. The second, we use to play verb. We will play. We will play. First form, modal auxiliary plus verb value. Second, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, sentence format. In interrogative sentence start with helping verb. Here helping verb shall and will plus subject plus use verb first form plus object plus other word plus question mark. Here we will use shall or will. Suitable helping verb we use with subject. We use subject he. So he is with suitable helping verb is will. Here we use will. Will he play? Will he play? Use play. Play cricket. Chess tomorrow. Question. Will he play chess tomorrow? It's a question. And next, negative sentence. In negative sentence, to show not with helping verb, yes. Sentence format. In negative sentence start with subject plus helping verb, which helping verb? Shall and will plus not plus verb derivative plus object plus other words. We use subject he will be use subject. Suitable helping verb is will. He will play a chess tomorrow. Okay, but here we use negative sentence, so we use not. Okay, subject he, use suitable helping verb will, use not, and verb we use play. An object of chess, in other words, tomorrow. Okay. First I forget use not. Okay, so I rub it and rewrite this. He will not play a chess two more. Here we use short form of helping verb, will not and shall not. Will not is want and shall not. Shall use two short form of the will not and short. Will not and shall not. Shall and want. Thank you.